Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what are we talking about this week, man?
I have a device that you use that I think would be very helpful for people.
Device that I use?
Kind of a memory device, a thing that you go back to a lot.
Yes, I have quite a few of those. Mm-hmm. Quite a few.
To read the tattoo thing.
Read the tattoo.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It's
a good one.
It is a good one. All right. Now let me get into this.
Yeah.
So, for the record, I don't have any tattoos yet. Sorry, Mom. It's going to happen eventually. Just know this. But I don't have any tattoos, but I do have a invisible tattoo. Mm-hmm. It's right here. It's on my left arm. It's kind of in the middle in this blank space of just completely white skin that has not seen the light of day in I don't know how long. Sorry, guys. Anyway, but it says, don't be a jerk. Just says, don't be a jerk. I'll be honest, it actually does say something else here, but we're going to use,
But it's a family show.
don't be a jerk.
Yeah.
All right. You can insert whatever you want to on your left arm. It's blank here. But anytime, and this is something that I look to a lot in marriage and relationships and all sorts of stuff, is that I have to remind myself to look at the tattoo. And it's just kind of a phrase that I'll use to be like, look at the tattoo, bro. And remind myself, don't be a jerk. Don't be a jerk. Don't be a jerk. Because I think there are a lot of times where anger will get the best of me. Emotionally, I'm just going to get kind of frustrated or whatever it might be. I'll do this with my kids occasionally because I'm not perfect. I don't think anybody is. So I am going to look at that whenever I have a moment of like, crap, I'm feeling antsy. I'm feeling frustrated. I'm feeling punchy, for the lack of a better term, not actually punching, but like punchy personality wise, and remind myself, hey, don't be a jerk, man. Like it's very helpful.
There's an element to that too, where you're kind of giving way to somebody else who's having a bad day. Mm-hmm. So like, say there's somebody else that's having a bad day, you might be like, read the tattoo.
Yeah.
Where it's a reminder to yourself, like, you don't have to engage it. Mm-hmm. You don't have to make a deal out of it. You don't have to be a jerk about it.
Yeah.
Maybe you just let it pass.
Yeah.
Because maybe they're having a bad day.
Yeah.
I've heard you go back to that time and again. Mm-hmm. And, what does that have to do with construction? Well, you get bumped all the time. You do. You get frustrated all the time.
Yeah.
You have strong personalities all around you that are constantly running the risk of frustrating you.
Yeah.
Scheduling difficulties, people not showing up, not doing what's...
Yeah.
Hey, read the tattoo. You don't have to be a jerk about it.
Yeah.
You don't have to be a jerk about it. And it's just something that you can come back to, whatever your thing is.
Yeah.
It's a reminder.
Yeah.
Like you're setting those neuro pathways in your brain that you can say, I'm going back. I'm going to try my best to not be a jerk.
And it's nice because you don't actually have to go out there and get the tattoo, because I don't necessarily want a tattoo that says
tattoo.
Don't be a jerk, but I do refer to that often. And it's funny, even in our church Bible study, I had mentioned the actual phrase of what it is. And one of the older guys in there referred back to it probably a month later. He's like, I forgot who said this, but... And so he pointed to his arm. He says, this fake tattoo here that says, don't be a jerk.
See, it's helpful.
Yeah, it is actually pretty helpful. And so anyway, this, there's one of the Tylerisms, we'll call it.
Ooh.
It's a Tylerism.
You have isms.
I have isms, guys.
Could be a whole series.
Should we do a whole series of Tylerisms?
I have to think of more that I feel like are somewhat profound. And then, maybe.
Well, I'm ADHD because I can't remember any of them until I need them. So, it's just I'm trying to calculate what other ones there are.
You just have to write them down in the moment.
Yeah, I can't think of them anymore. Anyway, guys, well, with that, enjoy your new tattoo and go build something awesome.